Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Osoyoos, British Columbia. This small town is located in the southern part of the Okanagan Valley near the border with the United States. It sits beside Osoyoos Lake, one of the warmest lakes in Canada. The area is known for its dry climate, desert landscape, and sunny weather, making it a popular place for summer vacations, wine tours, and outdoor activities. The name Osoyoos comes from the Syilx First Nations word "see's," which means narrowing of the waters. The indigenous people have lived in this region for thousands of years and continue to play an important role in the community today. Osoyoos began to grow as a settlement in the late 1800s, with farming and cattle ranching as early industries. In the 1900s, irrigation systems were built, and fruit orchards and vineyards became a big part of the economy. Today, Osoyoos is well known for its wineries, beaches, and beautiful views of the surrounding hills and desert. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Osoyoos, British Columbia.